Finally, I was able to get my hands on Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra and unboxed it. The unboxing itself was uneventful, but boy oh boy, I have a lot of first impressions to share with you guys. It comes in a very slim box and I was not expecting it to be this thin, which also meant that I should not be expecting too much from this unboxing. Inside, there was the tablet itself, the S Pen and the USB-C charging cable. Sadly, there was no charger considering that this Tab S8 Ultra supports 45 watts fast charging and I don't have a compatible charger lying around at my place. Moving on to the tablet itself, what blew me away was how thin this thing is. It literally is the same width as the 3 coins stacked on top of each other. This thing is crazy thin and seems fragile, but Samsung claims that they have built it with armor aluminum. Like that is supposed to make me feel any better about this obnoxiously thin and fragile feeling tablet. Nonetheless, I choose to believe them because, well, do I have a choice? Actually, I do. I should be putting a case on it, which I should have gotten along with the tablet for free because I pre-ordered this thing and I was supposed to get the keyboard cover with it, but that has not been shipped yet. I will feel better once that arrives. Samsung says on its website that this tablet is their thinnest, biggest, toughest and super lightweight tablet. And let me tell you this, it is not lightweight at all. At 726 grams, you cannot hold it with one hand for long and you will be literally getting hand cramps in few minutes. And that brings me to the next impression. As soon as I started using it, it hit me. Tab S8 Ultra is not supposed to be used as a tablet. This thing is huge. Forget about the one hand use, either vertically or horizontally. It does not feel natural in the hand. Really, it was built to be used as a laptop, and the evidence of it is found in the location of the notch, volume rocker and power buttons. They are all on the side, or should I say on the top, meaning it makes perfect sense to use it horizontally with the stand on the table. Even better if you can get your hands on the keyboard cover case. And did I mention that I'm still waiting for mine? Anyways, moving on. Samsung devices are getting easier and easier to set up. With the Smart Switch app, you can use the wired or the Wi-Fi option to transfer all of your data or relevant data including accounts, settings and apps from your previous device to your new tablet. That's exactly what I did and I finished the setup. The transfer progressed on in the background. Finally, I want to talk about this gorgeous display that is the front and center of this tablet. The real crown jewel. 14.6 inches of Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+. It is a media consumption juggernaut. I watched only a portion of a movie and was blown away by the quality of it. Everything else pales in comparison to this enchanting display. And together with the quad stereo speakers, it brings the whole experience home. The speakers get plenty loud and the stereo experience is like real home theater, at least for me. And by the way, the S Pen you get with it is connected by Bluetooth and you can play, pause, skip forward or go back and even change the volume with your S Pen gestures, hands-free, and I absolutely love the experience. I already know that I will be consuming a lot of content on this thing and unlocking its full potential. So these were some of my first impressions about Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and as I continue to explore it and have more fun with it, I will bring more content to you soon. If you want to stay updated with the new videos, you can subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so you'll be notified when I publish next time. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.